Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can set a password for your Windows 11 or your Windows 10 PC account. So to do that, what do? We first go on to our search bar, we click on search. Now we are going to type control panel. Now once you type control panel, you are going to see this, which is exactly what we are looking for. So we are going to click on the control panel. Now it's going to bring us to this menu. So on this menu, what do we want to do? We want to click on user accounts, which is where we can set our password. So we go to what change account type here. We click on this. Now it's going to pop up all your users here. So you are going to see the list of all your users on your PC here. Now because I only have one user on my PC, it's only the one user here. So what you are going to do is you are going to click on the user. Now if you click on the user which you want to set your password, you have the option to change account name, set your password. Because I already have a password, you see change a password here, but if you don't have a password, you see set a password there. So what we'll do is you are going to click on what change a password, which is what exactly you are looking for. So if you click on it, now it's going to ask you to create your new password. Because I already have a password, it's still asking me to put my current password there. But if you don't have a password set, you are going to see this direct new password. So what you want to do is you want to set your new password, then you confirm your new password, then a password hint. If you want to add a password hint that can help you to remember your password whenever you forget, you just do that. Then after that, you just click on change password or set password. Then it's going to set your password for you. So if I should close this now, if I should come here now, you click on this and you sign out and try to sign in again, your Windows account now is going to come with the password, and you are going to enter the password you just set before you be able to sign in to your Windows PC. This video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future.